Wait lang! Ever felt na okay naman yung skincare mo pero parang may kulang pa rin sa glow? Yung tipong hydrated ka pero hindi even or glowing pero parang short-lived lang? Lately nga, I've been into this combo, yung Pearl Skin White Tomato plus collagen with ascorbic acid. And what I like, hindi lang siya pang aesthetic, may laman talaga yung ingredients niya. Totoo. At base sa details niya, it's focused on even skin tone and hydration. Tapos loaded siya with vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin B3, at niacinamide vibes. So ang dating, skin looks more balanced and fresh. Hindi siya harsh, hindi over the top, parang slow but steady kind of care. Plus ang kagandahan nga nito, meron siyang collagen na may ascorbic acid that's giving support from within energy. Simpleng routine lang, madaling isingit sa day, kaya consistent talaga. And honestly, mas gusto ko yung ganitong approach. At ang kagandahan nga nito, naka-promo sila ngayon dahil kapag nag-check out ka ng dalawang Daily Plus Pearl White Tomato, mayroon ka ng libreng Daily Plus Collagen Ascorbic Acid. Kaya mag-check out ka na. So real talk, ano ang mas goal mo ngayon? Even skin tone, hydration, o natural glow? I-comment mo nga.